Congratulations! You picked the where you realize you'd rather go back to the adventure. Yes, great job.
None of that was true.
Yes, fabrication of my incredible world-building skills.
Was right?
Yes.
I can't believe I was right!
I made it take you to I made it take you. I made it.
You dirtbag! You made me dirty! You got in my dirt! You just lie about dirt, don't you?
Huh?
You can mess with our dirt too, can't you? The stupid the dirty thing, God knows what else!
No, hold on, guys. Wait. I may have the ability to add temporary modifiers to make adventures more interesting, but that's it.
Scratch. The first abstraction.
Yes. You know, I'm just here to have fun. Questioning's over. Your prize is this live.